In this video, we're going to show you some of the basics of adding labeling to your map through a label style. To get started, we have a map here of North America, and let's say we want to add some labels for the various countries displayed on the map. To do that, we'll come over here to our layer group, and we'll right-click on our layer and do Add Style and choose Label. This will bring up the style builder with the label style already defaulted inside of it. The next thing you'll see is there are many tabs over here in the style editor portion of how we configure our label style. For this video, we're just going to focus on the label properties and mask, but there will be additional videos if you want to learn about how to control your placement and formatting, duplication, clipping, and icons. The first property you should look at is the name. So in this case, we'll go ahead and name our label style country names. The next section, you need to decide what you want to label with. So you have a couple different options. One is just a basic label based upon some attribute data with your layer. So you just pick the column name that you want. You also can do a custom label where you can use multiple columns and insert these in accordingly. So let's say we want to do the country name and whether it's landlocked or not. Now the column names are identified by being in square brackets. You can also put in hard-coded text in your labels as well just by typing it in between the brackets. So in this case, let's say we want to put our country name, a dash, and then an indicator of whether it's landlocked or not. You can also click the View Data button if you'd like to see what your column data looks like for your given layer. In the font area, you just choose what type of font you want. So you have a long list of fonts you can choose from. You set your size, your colors, the different styles, whether you want to bold it, underline it, etc. You can also rotate your labels if you'd like by giving it an angle from 0 to 360. For now, we'll just leave it at 0. And then you can also set the X and Y offsets of your labels, so you can control, if you want to shift everything to the left or up or down accordingly. This last setting here, the drawing level, is defaulted to label, and you'll most likely want to leave it there unless you want your labels to be covered up by other features like roads or so on. By putting it at the label level, it will always draw on top of any features regardless of your layer's order in the layer list. Finally, we have a little section down here where you can add a halo. And if you're not familiar with the halo, it's just an outline around your text. So here by default we'll have a 3-pixel outline around our text with the white color. Of course, you can change that color to any color you'd like to give your label that customized feel. The only other option we're going to go over in this video is the mask. So if you'd like to add a mask to your label, you can just come over here and click Enable Mask and then fill out the different colors that you'd like to use. So for example, if you wanted to have a gray square around your label, you could come in here and choose your fill, outline, thickness, and margin accordingly. I hope this video has given you a general overview of how you can use the label style to add labels to your map. Thank you.